Welcome to the ITA Oracle application Create an Account and Sign In video. For step 1, navigate to our page and create a new account. Enter into the Information Technology Academy course. Here you can read about the different locations and hit the Apply button. If you have already created an account, you could choose to sign in here. Otherwise, we are going to create a new account. Come up with a username and type it into the first field. Then choose an email address, and you will have to confirm that exact same email address. Enter your first name and your last name. For the country code, choose the one that is correct. If you wish, you can start typing the correct country code and then find it on the list. Enter your phone number and hit register. Now that you have created a new account, an email will have been sent to you. Search your inbox and your spam folder. With the email confirmation, you will be provided a link. Click on the link to reset or set your password. This email will ask you to reset your password, even if you've never set your password to begin with. Make sure that your password is secure by not sharing it with anyone, and also ensuring that it has lowercase, uppercase, and numeric characters. Once you hit submit, your password is set. Now you have a username and password. You may go to step 3, which is sign in, and navigate to the application. Go back to our home page. Find the program, choose Apply, and this time choose Sign In. Enter your user ID and password. When you sign in, you may have to navigate back to the application. Again, you are at our home page. Choose the program. And hit Apply. Now you may work on your application, save your progress at the top, or submit the application at the bottom when you're finished. Thank you.